I'm Mike Moses, Spaceline President at Virgin Galactic. These last 3 months have seen some amazing progress on building our next generation spaceships. I'm excited to bring you along on that journey in this episode of Galactic 10. Kicking off at number 10, we are full speed ahead on the production of our spaceship's avionics wire harnesses. These harnesses are being delivered weekly to our spaceship factory in Phoenix Mesa. We covered avionics in episode 7 of We Build Spaceships. I encourage you to take a look and learn more about the ship's central nervous system. As our Senior Director of Avionics says, without it, nothing on the spaceship would work. At number 9, ground testing. Let's take a quick look inside our Safety and Test Center in Irvine, California. In the past few weeks, our team has completed environmental qualification testing of the pneumatic pressure control valves. These valves are key components of our mechanical systems, and this testing clears the way for them to be used in flight test. The crew station has been installed in our Ironbird, which is gearing up for some major tests in Q1 of next year on the systems that operate our Feather. Stay tuned for more exciting test news. At number 8, speaking of our Feather system, we have made great strides on the production of our Feather structure. Bell's Rapid Production Center in Fort Worth, Texas, has done incredible work to deliver the most unique part of our spaceship. The first full set of boom skins has been completed, and the second set for our static test article are already in production. Number 7, with all boom skins complete, our major Feather boom structures have now arrived at Bell's Amarillo, Texas plant. There, the team will start building the complete subassembly, moving it through 3 separate stations on the plant floor before sending it to our factory. If you want to learn more, I encourage you to watch episode 6 of We Build Spaceships, highlighting the Feather, which makes our spaceships so unique. The oxidizer tank is at number 6. This large tank holds the liquid oxidizer that feeds our hybrid rocket motor, which of course powers the spaceship. Our amazing rocket systems team just completed the cycle testing on our qualification tank, where they put it through its paces and ran it for the equivalent of 4,000 flights. That means we tested it at over 4 times its predicted life cycle. This is a huge milestone, which qualifies this new tank for the entire life of our ships, 500 or more flights. In parallel with cycle testing that qualification tank, the flight tank, destined for our first spaceship, has arrived at the factory. It will soon be installed into the center of the fuselage assembly. At number 5, our fuselage is making good progress. The fuselage is the body of our spaceship that holds our crew and customers, and what looks like one long piece is actually made of multiple parts. In the forward section, our lower fuselage skin is already in our spaceship factory, and the upper half is in fabrication at Carbon Aerospace. Other major pieces of the forward fuselage are also in assembly, including the crew station, where our pilots sit, the instrument panels, and the large ring frames that give additional strength to the fuselage structure. I love our launch vehicle, Eve. So at number 4, I'd like to highlight our technical operations and mission operations team for the outstanding return to the skies over New Mexico. This group delivered a terrific upgrade program. Now, our launch vehicle is expected to maintain the pace of flying our first 2 spaceships multiple times per week. At number 3, excitement is building around our upcoming spaceflight missions. Earlier in September, we announced that Purdue University is expected to fly an all-Purdue crew on a research mission called Purdue One to see researchers, professors, grad students, and alumni all fly together on one mission will be a great accomplishment. The research community would have access to a suborbital science lab built around reliability, repeatability, and a lower entry price point. Number 2, the wing assembly. The investment we made in production tooling is paying off, as the precision fit of spaceship parts has made the assembly process advance smoothly and rapidly. You can see here, the wing is coming to life with its enormous carbon skins lifted into place for their fit checks before being permanently fastened later this quarter. This is a massive accomplishment for everyone involved, whether it's the folks making parts for the wing, designing and installing the assembly tools to hold those parts, or doing the installation and quality checks of the components that go into the wing itself. Really great team effort all around. And finally, at number 1, a space line needs more than just one ship. It needs a fleet. Our space line is powered by our Spaceship Factory production line, and I'm thrilled to tell you that production line is coming to life. Parts for the next build after our first spaceship are already lining up for their turn in our state-of-the-art tooling. For example, the second set of wing parts, designated for our static test article, will immediately start to load into the wing up tool as soon as our first wing moves forward. Our team has done an outstanding job, and I couldn't be more proud. 2025 has seen tremendous forward progress for Virgin Galactic. 2026 will bring even greater news as our program remains on track for spaceflight next year. Be sure to join us in the new year for another episode of Galactic 10.